Okay, so lesson two. Okay, here's the thing. All there is, in actuality, empty your mind and sit here and just be, just exist. Don't even be aware of your surroundings. Don't be, just be aware of the space in your mind. If you need to focus on your breath, you can do that. That's helpful. But just be, right? And if you can do that, right, that's Earth. Okay, that's ground zero. It's it's like life is formed from that place. So in order to manifest, you're gonna need to be able to reach that place. Uh, this is it takes patience to be there because in the beginning you're not gonna be able to control your thoughts. Uh, and that gets hard to do. But in order to combat the flow of thoughts, I don't know how to describe it. It's literally like an act of will with your mind, and you can stop your thoughts from coming in. Sometimes you can't. Thoughts always pop up, but if you learn how, if like you have to train that mind muscle to do that, and you'll build its strength over time, and eventually you'll be able to sit there for a while without thinking. Okay, and that's step one. This may be lesson two, but that's step one. Okay, or three. Is this lesson three? I don't know. Whatever. Alright, so it's all about simplicity. Okay, at this stage, it's about once you become able to, uh, you know, still the flow of your mind and sit and just be comfortable with just existing. You're gonna want to start developing mindfulness, which is awareness of not only your outer world but your inner world. So if you're getting to the place where you've stilled the mind, you're going to be able to find the heart. Okay, and once you find the heart, which speaks in feelings, essentially that's the easiest way to describe it. And the heart is what life is actually all about. The mind is a tool, and the upper chakras are great, but it's all about the heart, man. Yam, right? It's all about the heart, and because the heart is where your body's life force is essentially generated. The blood is pumped through the heart, circulates through the whole body, powers the mind. So it's like if you didn't have the heart, you wouldn't have the brain either. So, uh, and like they've literally had evidence that they've taken hearts out of people and it was still beating. So it's like it has its own power source. You know what I mean? And it is literally a living thing that generates not only life force but in the blood, but it produces the electrical capabilities in the body with the beating. The beating, right, of the drum. That's the electrical impulses. Okay, so that's what the heart does. All right, and once you have unlocked your heart and found your heart, which literally you're gonna want to sit there while after you've learned to still your mind and focus on your chest, right? You focus on your chest and you just try and feel. Just feel. And you'll start to hear things. but in a feeling way. It's like there's the words but not words. If you can understand. That's why people get so confused because when the heart speaks, they think it's the mind speaking, but no, the heart speaks in feelings that have definitions. So it's like, anyway, simplicity, patience, endurance, earth, step, uh, whatever step we're on.